Begin by pulling the plastic cover, green arrow, off of each front wiper blade. They pop off pretty easily. Pull each wiper arm up so that you can pull the blade assembly, green arrow, off of the pivot rod, yellow arrow. Place a small dab of grease on the pivot rod prior to fitting the new blade. Once in place, lower the wiper blade back against the windshield and press the plastic covers back on. Replacing the rear wiper blade is equally as easy. Lift the wiper arm, green arrow, up and off the rear window. Now pull the blade insert out from the arm. It may take a bit of effort, but it should pop right out. Note the pivot piece, green arrow, built into the blade insert. It's designed so that the blade insert can only fit onto the wiper arm one way. Shown here is the underside of the wiper arm. Pop the pivot piece on the blade insert until it fully seats in the clip. Green arrow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.